Does your AI character keep changing from picture to picture? In this quickie, I'll show you how to keep your character consistent every time you create. Welcome to my channel, everybody. My name is Crystal, and my channel is At Home with Crystal. Here, I share all of the fun things I do at home. And one of those things is learning AI and teaching beginners like myself how to quickly get started with my beginner-friendly quickies. So, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set up and save your character so that it can be consistent. Now, whether that character is an avatar or a real life or some sort of motion picture avatar, Dzine will remember their look and there will be no more random results. So, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we go. So first of all, you have to head over to your Dzine website. I have my tab already open to the Dzine.ai. If you don't have Dzine yet, I have a clickable link in the description box so you can go ahead and follow along, pause this video, and come right back and then follow along with me. So what you want to do, you see your options over here to the side. You don't even need to go there. Come over here to this middle section, scroll down, and right here you will see consistent character. So click on to consistent character, okay? Doesn't take long to load. Bam, it's going to take you up to this screen. Right here, you want to click build your character. These are some presets that they already have, and these are some characters that I already built. And I'm going to tell you, I had to delete one of mine because I was out of spaces to build a new one. But that's all based off of the program that you purchase if you want to purchase a program, a tier, a membership. So I have the creator membership. I think it's $20 a month, but you can do this absolutely free. You don't have to do the membership, but you will be limited to maybe 3 consistent characters. Okay, so here we go. Let's click build your character right here, that plus sign. You have the option of doing a quick mode. This quick mode will cost you 4 credits. I'm not going to speak on this one because I haven't done it yet. I have used the training mode right here, and this one is going to cost you 30 credits. Now, with the free program, you do get free credits, okay? That's what makes it free, and you'll be able to do this. So click on create. I'm going to start with images. You can start with a description if you don't have an avatar already. I have an avatar already. I created it in ChatGPT. So I'm going to use images. If you want to start with the description, you go ahead, go back to ChatGPT and ask them for a prompt of a description of exactly how you want your character to look. But most of us have a character. We like it, but we just can't keep it consistent. So that's where I come in with this quickie. So I'm going to go here, start with images. It suggests that you use various images from various angles. I have used front images and it works absolutely fine. So what you want to do is give your character a name. I'm going to call this one tutorial, so we know that we're in the right character. Okay, so that's tutorial. I'm going to click here anywhere on the box, and it's going to take me to where I need to go to, let's see, to find I'm on my website and my files, and I'm going to find my pictures. You can click them one at a time, or if you know how to shift and hold, all 4 pictures will populate. I'm going to click open. See, there they are. This is my Chrissy character. I use her for my Chrissy YouTube channel. It is called Miss Crystal's Classroom Adventures, and on there I post all things Chrissy and all things the Lost and Found Club. But for this tutorial, we're going to talk about Chrissy. I designed her in ChatGPT once again, and you know what? I'm going to hit start training while I keep talking. Start training. See, it's telling me right there it's going to use 30 credits. Let's click that. And now it's going to do its thing. So I designed her in ChatGPT, and she's actually based off of a childhood photo of myself, Crystal, and ChatGPT. I asked her to animate her. I wanted her to be 3D Pixar style. So you can tell ChatGPT all of that, and they will spit out an image. If you're not happy with the first one, ask them to regenerate it, and they will give you another one. I do not pay for ChatGPT. I definitely use the free plan, and they will regenerate your images. You're again limited to how many you can use at the time. So estimated time remaining. Oh, this says 20 minutes. So I'm going to come back. See this? It tells you how long it's going to take to generate. Once it's done, I'll be right back. And then we're going to move on. Okay? I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, welcome back. I hope you got something to eat, grab the drink, and we are back. Okay, so it tells me character is ready. So I'm going to say use in consistent character. I'm going to press this button right here, and let's see what she looks like. Oh, this is where it brings you. Duh, I forgot. All right, so here we go. Tutorial is how I name my character, so that's why you see the name right there, tutorial. Okay, so then it gives you a prompt right here, tutorial. It gives me a description of what I created. A young female with dark skin and afro puffs wearing a colorful dress with a yellow skirt and a heart pattern in 3D rendering style. So now here is where you give it your prompt. This is you telling it you want to use your consistent character to do something with her. So what am I going to do? I'm going to say tutorial because that's her name. I'm pointing to it like y'all can see me with my finger. Here we go. So tutorial is walking in the park. That's all I'm going to give it. I mean, you can give it more, but that's all I'm going to give it. Down here, see, I just scroll down. I don't adjust anything in here except aspect ratio. I have been doing things on YouTube, so I click this arrow and I bring it up here. Now, here's the weird thing. Sometimes this actually says YouTube. Sometimes it says Facebook, but Facebook and YouTube is the same aspect ratio, 16:9. If you're using your phone or TikTok or Instagram for most of your posts, you want to do one of these, but you can pick Facebook 16:9, desktop 16:9. I have no idea when they decide to make it say YouTube, but whatever. You can pick one. So I pick one. Okay. And then down here, I don't change anything here. I leave all of that the same. Play around with it if you want to see different things. And then I click generate, and you see it's only costing me 4 coins. So here we go. Generate. And this should not take that long. I'm going to close down this aspect ratio thing. It is generating. You'll see over here to the right. It's spinning. So it's letting you know it's generating. I'm not going to go anywhere because it's not going to take 20 minutes like before. See, I'm already at 51%. The best thing is it's going to give you 2 options, 2 variations. One you might absolutely love, one you might absolutely not love. Or you might like both, and woohoo, that's just gravy. Icing on the cake, okay? So I'm going to show you what you can do with your consistent character once you have it. Generation completed. Look at this. So I'm toggling over. This is option number 1. She's walking in the park. Bam. Did I or did I not tell you that consistent character was going to be consistent? That's option 1. Or here's option 2. And I'm going to leave it here because these are quickies. I want to keep these videos as quick as possible. But if you notice, you can come down here and do various things with that photo option 1 or photo option 2, including create a different one. It's going to cost you credits. You can insert a character. Maybe she's walking with her mom or her friend. You can create a video. Maybe you actually want her walking. You can lip sync her lips. You can face swap her face to maybe somebody else's face. But we'll get into that later. So y'all gonna let me know which other quickie you want me to do. Maybe it's the AI video. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here. Get your consistent character done. So what do you think about that? That's it. Super simple, right? So once you lock in your base look, you can reuse that character every single time for coloring pages, for videos. You just pull it up. So just go ahead and have fun with it, y'all. Okay? So if this was helpful, tap like, drop a comment. If you want to give it a try, I put the link to Dzine down in the description box. You can click on it. You can get started for free. And I've started a beginner-friendly quickie playlist for fast tutorials just like this one. So you can let me know, what else do you want to learn on a quickie? Okay? And please post your comments. I will answer all questions, okay? And if I know it, I'll share it. If I don't know it, we're going to learn it together. How about that? Have a great day.